Okay, now I'm going to share with you all how to generate a QR code. Okay, let me do my share screen. Okay, y'all can see my handphone, right? Can you see my handphones?
Yes,
Can
yes.
I? Great, great. Let me see. Okay, if you can see my handphone screen, first thing you below here, you will be able to see status, call, camera, checks, and setting. So everybody go to the setting. So you click setting, it will bring you to this. Okay. And over here, you will be able to see your profile photo. Click onto here. There's a QR code. Click, you will bring you to here. This is your QR code. Everybody got their own unique QR code generated for you. So next one, you will click here, share code. Okay, you click share code over here and they will ask you share via messages or share under mails or WhatsApp. I prefer to choose WhatsApp. So choose WhatsApp. Then for example, now I'm going to share my QR code to our group chat right now for demonstration purposes. So I put down under our group chat and I will click the next word, next over here, where you want to send to. So I will send to here. This is my QR code and how you will receive it. So I will go down to send. Click here, send. Okay, from here, you will be able to see that a QR code has been sent. Now let me go back to my chat. Okay, chat under T2. You see, you will receive this over here. This is the QR code. So you can actually forward it to anyone you want or put on the marketing brochure or videos and all that or poster. Okay, so this is how you generate the QR code.